25 years of cherishing old memories of school. 25 years of serving our dear alma mater, Northern Rizal Yorkline School. Of tears and laughter, of great smiles and learning experiences that taught us great lessons in life. 25 years of growing through challenges, making us better individuals.
Nako, yung naaalala ko sa school, yung mga barkada, namimiss ko, tsaka ang laki na ng pinagbago ng school. Meron ng computer room, library. It really improved a lot.
25 years of looking back, flipping through the pages of our lives. Of loyalty and compassion to give back to our dear alma mater. Our loving school that molded us to what we are today. This is our alma mater. You are a big part of our lives, our beloved school that shape our future.
Maraming fond memories, tsaka yung mga teacher, magagaling magturo, hanggang sa college nadala ko yun sa college, galing sa pagtuturo dito sa Yorkline.
Siguro yung pag-aaral parang kailangan talagang mag-aral tayo para pag-graduate natin, mas maging successful. If not successful, at least we are doing fine in our life. Like me, right now, I am a CPA and I have my own auditing firm, which I am proud of. Kung wala ang Yorkline siguro wala din ako. It's been my roots.
We thank you for the gift of education, forever planting a seed of curiosity and determination for us to know, to grow and succeed.
Thank you, Northern Rizal Yorkline School, for making me a better person as well as a good citizen, student, and even a good mother. Kasi kung ano yung natutunan ko, yun din yung values na tinuturo ko sa anak ko. Siguro gusto kong makita kung ano na yung ngayon. Ano na yung pinagbago, ano ang maitutulong pa natin para sa school bilang alumni. Siguro sa mga kasama ko, mga kaibigan ko, mga classmates, kung may time kayo, please go to the school. It's about time that we give back to the school. Yun lang, and happy 25th year.
It's high time to give back to the institution that once filled out what we lacked, the facilities that needed improvement. We are willing to be of help for the good of our future generation and for their great memories that will be best kept.